I had some awesome femur bones left over from last week's stock making video, so today we're going to roast some bone marrow. Let's start by removing any of the excess meat or sinew that's still left on the bone. Now, use the back side of your knife to do this. If you use the sharp side, you're going to end up damaging it. The next step is to soak our veal bones overnight in some heavily salted water. And we do this to remove blood and other impurities that could give the marrow an off flavor. The following day, you can take your veal bones out of the water and dry them off, then place them on a roasting rack and generously season them with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. When your bones are ready, drop them in a preheated 375-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. While your bones are roasting, let's go ahead and make some crostini. Now, cut some bread into 1-inch thick slices, then brush them with some extra virgin olive oil on both sides, season them with salt and freshly ground black pepper, and then griddle them until brown on both sides. Should take a couple of minutes. While the crostini are still hot, rub each side with a raw garlic clove, then reserve your toast until the marrow is ready. Next, let's make the herb salad and start with some flat leaf parsley, some microgreens, some thinly sliced shallots, a little bit of capers, a generous squeeze of Meyer lemon, regular lemon will do too, and then finish with some extra virgin olive oil. Mix all of your ingredients together completely and then reserve your salad until the marrow bones are ready. Once your bones come out of the oven, serve them immediately. Hot is always better here. You never want to serve a cold marrow bone. Now, I serve the herb salad directly on top of the marrow bone, but you can serve it on the side too. It's totally a preference thing. When you serve your marrow bones, make sure to include some spoons so you can scoop the marrow out, spread it on some bread along with a little bit of that herb salad, and enjoy. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, check out some of my other content, and consider subscribing.